Welcome to the 4-H Farm. I am Miss Tanya. I am the 4-H agent with St. Lucie County and University of Florida IFAS Extension. And today we are going to take a virtual tour of the 4-H Farm. As we go around the farm, we're going to look at all the different animals and learn about the importance of them on a farm. So let's get started.
This is a horse. What sound does a horse make? Horses are commonly used on farms to help herd cattle. Horses are very smart and can be trained for a variety of jobs. Some horses even work for the police force. Before we had tractors, horses helped pull heavy equipment or carts. Our horse Gus was once a cart horse. Horses have a soft coat and a coarse mane and tail. The coarse hair from their mane and tails is often used for making brushes and bows of musical instruments, such as violin bows. Fun fact, horses can sleep while standing up or lying down. Can you fall asleep standing up? This is a donkey. What sound does a donkey make? Donkeys have a very important job on the farm. They are the protectors. Our donkey Mike keeps the goats and sheep safe from predators such as bobcats and coyotes. While donkeys are smaller than a horse, they are actually stronger. Look at the size of the donkey's ears. They have large ears which allow to hear sounds from miles away. Fun fact, while donkeys live with herd animals, they often only bond to one other animal. They have a best friend. These are goats and sheep. What sound does a goat make? What sound does a sheep make? Goats and sheep are herd animals, which means they love living with other animals. Both animals love to graze on grass and hay. Goats provide us with milk and meat. Sheep provide us with wool and meat. We are able to get wool from sheep through a process called shearing, which is basically a haircut. The wool is then cleaned and spun to be used for warm socks, blankets, sweaters, and more. Both goats and sheep have split hooves, which give them great balance for climbing. Fun fact, goats and sheep both chew their cud. This means that after they chew and swallow their food, the food goes back to their mouth to be chewed a second time. It's a dairy cow. What sound does a cow make? A baby cow is called a calf. This is Nilla, and she is our dairy calf. We get milk from dairy cows, and we get meat from beef cows. How many gallons of milk do you think a full-grown cow produces per day? Not all milk from cows is used for the milk we drink. A lot of it is used to create dairy products like cheese and yogurt. What other foods do we get from cows? Look at the cow's feet. These are called split or cloven hooves. Do you remember who else has split hooves? Fun fact, cows only have bottom teeth. They use their sharp bottom teeth against their upper palate when grazing and eating. This is an alpaca. What sound does an alpaca make? Alpacas assist the donkey in protecting the herd. We collect the hair from alpacas. His hair, which is often referred to as fiber, can be cut and sold to be used for clothing and blankets, just like his friend the sheep. While alpaca fiber and sheep wool are very similar, the alpaca fiber is softer, more durable, and warmer than sheep wool. Although alpaca are known to spit when annoyed, it's not as common for them to spit as it is a llama. Fun fact, got allergies? Alpaca are considered hypoallergenic. The pig. What sound does a pig make? A baby pig is called a piglet. We get meat from pigs called pork, which includes bacon, sausage, chops, and more. Take a look at his feet. Pigs also have split hooves. Pigs are very intelligent animals, and they can be trained like dogs. Why do you think pigs love the mud? Pigs roll in the mud to protect their sensitive skin from getting sunburned. Fun fact, pigs have very bristly hair, which is used for brushes, especially hairbrushes and paintbrushes. is a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Female or girl chickens are called hens, and male or boy chickens are called roosters. What sound does a hen make? What sound does a rooster make? Inside our coop is a wide variety of chicken breeds. They are all a little different, but they all have the same job. From chickens we get meat and eggs. A chicken will lay approximately 240 eggs per year. That's a lot of eggs. Fun fact, the color of chicken eggs is determined by the color of their ears. Chickens with red ears lay brown eggs, and chickens with white ears lay white eggs. This is a turkey. What sound does a turkey make? Female or girl turkeys are called hens, and male or boy turkeys are called toms. What holiday do we associate turkeys with? From turkeys, we get meat and eggs. The average turkey weighs 20 to 24 pounds, but some adult turkeys can weigh up to 40 pounds. The fleshy skin around their faces is called their wattle and snoot. These fleshy portions change color with the turkey's mood. They can turn bright red and blue. Fun fact, turkeys have unique voices and they can recognize each other by their voices, just like people. These are ducks. What sound does a duck make? A baby duck is called a duckling. Here you see 4 different breeds of ducks: Welsh Harlequins, Khaki Campbell, Blue Swedish, and Black Swedish. From ducks we get meat, eggs, and feathers. Down feathers from ducks are used in pillows, blankets, and coats. Take a look at their webbed feet. Their unique feet are very important as they help them be strong swimmers. Fun fact, ducks produce a special type of oil that coats their feathers, making them waterproof.
I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of the 4-H farm. We had so much fun. We got to learn about all of our different farm animals here on the 4-H farm. And until next time, bye.